Hi. How much?
No smaller than 3 liters?
Yep, this 3 liters are smallest one.
Oh boy. $35.
I thought
Oh yan.
like
$35
$20
3 liters. That was before.
Is this no fertilizer?
Sorry?
Call that, is this
So ayun,
Organic?
babayad na kami ng isang basket pala, $35. Yun ang presyo. Yung iba naman,
organic?
$60.
Yeah, we don't like spray them with
Ayun,
any
$60, minsan
chemicals
45.
or anything. No.
Doon na lang kami sa maliit.
35.
We'll get the smaller basket.
We can set debit. We can't do credit though.
Oh,
Debit?
Debit we can do, yeah.
Okay. So you pay. This is the first day, right?
Yep, first day being open today.
Yeah.
Very nice. There's plenty of cherries out there.
What is this location?
Sorry?
What is this location?
Like the address?
Yeah?
Yeah, I can grab your business card. So it just says it right there for you.
Okay, so 1186 Highway 8, Winona. So we are in Winona, Ontario.
this is 35.
Yeah, that's
Well, you
35.
can tap it on the top there.
And bayad na kami.
Do you need your receipt?
Oh yes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so malapit na kami pumasok.
So yeah, we're just in on this side over here today.
Only this side?
Just this side. It's our first day.
Oh,
So it's an earlier variety, so they're really ripe, really nice today.
Okay.
You can just head on in. Plenty of cherries to pick from.
Ito yung mga kasama namin.
Doing the cherry picking.
Okay, so ayan na. Bayad kami ng $35 yung maliit na basket.
This is like 50 bucks.
Yung sumunod na basket, 45. Yung pinakamalaking basket naman ay $60. So yun ang presyo po.
We need to eat a lot.
So ito na yung aming
We gotta fill.
pupuntahan. Ikot muna tayo bago tayo mag-picking. Yan, Quebec Orchard. Yan.
We should go with it.
Yan, ang ating someone pick it for me. Oh yeah, the beautiful lady is picking the
Gotta ask permission.
cherries. Ayan. Wow, let's eat first. Ooh, that's what. Look.
Ask permission. Here, look here. You can just take pictures.
Very good, very good. Huh? Good afternoon. So on today's video, cherry picking is on the way here in Stony Creek. I'll show you. Here we go. That's our cherry picking here in Stony Creek. Wow, a lot of them. Look at that. That's our cherry picking adventure. Lots of cherries. Let's see. We're gonna taste it. Wow. We paid $35 for the small basket, but we added more eating. So let's go. Come here at Stony Creek, Winona, Sun Valley Farm here in Winona. Let's go, people. Come on down here in Stony Creek, Winona, Sun Valley Farm. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. We move. Look at that. It's so many. Very sweet. Mm. Let's check out the other people. Wow, look at this. It's the whole field of cherries. Look. Hey, this is my
Hello.
my wife. Wow. It's a good adventures. Wow.
With the family. And with your spouse too.
Then let's check the other people here. But it's okay. See, let's check out the other people doing the cherry picking. All of these are cherries.
I don't think they're gonna last that long.
That's the whole field of cherries. So if you like cherries, come on down here at Winona, Sun Valley Farm. Okay na, okay na. Very nice. Oh, look at the kids. It's the whole field of cherries here. Okay, so thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.